Hey there, this is Andrew from the Jetdocs and Gerald team, and today we're going to be going over how to connect your SharePoint documentation to Gerald. So right now I'm on Teams Web, and this is where you'll be able to converse with Gerald and ask it questions where Gerald will then go look up documentation inside of your SharePoint site and then return you an answer based on that. So let's go through the setup quickly. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Jetdocs, and this is for admins first and foremost. But once you open up the sidebar, click on Org Settings, click on the AI tab, and as you scroll down, you will see there is a Gerald integration section. So the first thing you'll see is Jetdocs MCP. This is set up by default, and this just means that Gerald has the ability to select templates and fill them out conversationally. And the purpose of this video is to go over the SharePoint connection section. So this is not currently connected. I'm going to click the connect button. That's going to open up this URL. I'm going to sign in with my Microsoft account, and you will get a success message once you've properly authenticated saying connected to SharePoint. Please refresh the connection inside of Jetdocs to finish the configuration process. So when I navigate back to Jetdocs, I'm just going to click refresh on my screen. And you will see now that I have the ability to enter in a SharePoint URL, which I can then extract to fill out these specific fields. So now I'm going to go over to SharePoint. And the idea, of course, is, as I mentioned, for Gerald to speak with and query your SharePoint documentation. For example, in another video, I'll go over this HR policy, vacation, and payroll guidelines document. But once we're in SharePoint, what we're going to do is, say, for example, we're on our home tab here. I'm going to go over to the documents section here. And inside of here, and again, this is inside of this township operations site that we have created just for this video. And there's a folder called approved knowledge. And under approved knowledge, we also have this folder called knowledge. And so just before I click into this, so again, what's important to note is that nothing in this HR folder, IT folder, public works folder, Gerald will have access to. It will only have access to the specific folder that you are providing the location for. So as you can see, we have tons of different documentation in here. As I mentioned, this HR vacation payroll is the tab that's opened, but all we have to do is take the link at the very top, Control C or right click and copy it. Go back to the Jetdocs tab. We are going to Control V or paste it in here. Click on extract host /site /folder. And once we do so, you will see host, site path, and folder path have all been extracted. And we go ahead and click save. And so you'll get the success message that says SharePoint settings saved. And now when you go to Gerald, you will be able to interact with Gerald, and it will query any document inside of this specific SharePoint folder.